Today we're going to be reading a new story called Button, Button, Who's Got the Button? By Trish Holland. Button, button, who's got the button? How many buttons do you have? Button, button, I've got one button. A big button brightening my cape. Buckle, buckle, who's got the buckle? How many buckles do you have? Buckle, buckle, we've got two buckles. Bold buckles bumping on our belts. Knot, knot, who's got the knot? How many knots do you have? Knot, knot, we've got three knots. Nimble knots nipping at our necks. 1, 2, 3. Bow, bow, who's got the bow? How many bows do you have? Bow, bow, we've got 4 bows. Bashful bows blooming on our backs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop, loop, who's got loops? How many loops do you have? Loop, loop, I've got 5 loops. Long loops locking out the cold. Zipper, zipper, who's got the zipper? How many zippers do you have? Zipper, zipper, we've got 6 zippers. Zany zippers zooming on our coats. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zippers. Toggle, toggle. Who's got the toggle? How many toggles do you have? Toggle, toggle. We've got 7 toggles. Tricky toggles tilting to and fro. These are a different kind of button that go in a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoelace, shoelace. Who's got the shoelace? How many laces do you have? Shoelace, shoelace. We've got 8 shoelaces. Lazy laces looping along our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snap, snap. Who's got the snap? How many snaps do you have? Snap, snap, I've got 9 snaps. Silly snaps snicking as they shut. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ten and button, button, I've got 10 buttons. A bunch of buttons, boasting we're the best. Look at all those buttons. They've got 10 buttons. Many ways to close our clothing. Buttons, buckles, loops and bows, toggles, zippers, knots and snaps, lots of laces. And who knows? Can you find one more? What is he using to close his shoes and put his shoes on? That's a different kind of fastener. We call that Velcro. All right, my question for you today is about buttons. Think about this little girl has lots of buttons. How many buttons are you wearing? Be sure to count them. If you don't have any buttons, do you have any snaps or zippers? How many?